Are you in need of assistance with preparing your taxes this tax season? Well, Tusculum College has a new volunteer income tax assistance program that can help you prepare and file your tax return. And the best part, it's a free program. And here with more information is Dr. Harold Branstrator. Doctor, appreciate you being here today.
Thank you for having me.
This is a brand new program for Tusculum. Tell us where the grain of this idea, where did it come from?
Well, they've always wanted one, but they didn't have an opportunity to find someone who would set it up and then train and operate the program for them.
Right.
And they had an opening for a professor in management. And I applied for it, and they said, oh, we'd like you to do that, but in addition, could you do this? But I'm the one who started the program in the Tri-City area 8 years ago, and I've been running it since. And basically, it's the same program, just moved to Tusculum. We're still sponsored by Appalachian Community Federal Credit Union. We still have our federal VITA grant that we belong to.
So and you're IRS certified?
Yes, they're all certified by the IRS. They have 5 exams that they take that they have to pass. So they're certified for non-disclosure, confidentiality, also ethical standards. They're trained to cover all the aspects of the individual income tax return, including the small business return, capital gains, rentals, and we've also trained this year for military tax returns. So we've had several people who are in the National Guard and the Air Force Reserve who they get special deductions because of their training that they go to their 1 weekend a month and 2 weeks a year, or more, and how that's handled.
Do you encourage people that, they may have questions? This is a great way for them to get those questions answered, to get some help that they need during tax season.
Yes, that's what the Internal Revenue Service wanted, was to become an answering service for them. So we're trained to field a wide variety of questions, plus do research to look up answers for individuals if they give us the time.
But they have to make an appointment.
Yes.
Talk to us about how the whole situation works as far as getting in to see someone.
Well, they can call Appalachian Community Federal Credit Union at 1-800-378, I don't call there that much, 378-3778. Wait until their automated system has come to an end, and then a human will come online, and they can take an appointment there, or they can go to tusculum.edu/VITA, VITA, / and it takes us to our website where they can then sign themselves up for one of our slots. The only one that's left open would be the Elizabethan Library. It's just a last-minute add-on. We'll have 3 Saturdays, March 18th, 25th, and April 1st, where we'll prepare taxes from 4 to 8 o'clock in the evening every hour, and that they can call the library at 547-6360, the Elizabethan Library, and they'll schedule an appointment for you there.
Okay, and you have to make that appointment.
Yes.
It's not first come, first served.
No.
You have to make an appointment.
No, we can end up having as many as 40 people at one time, so it could get a little maddening. But we prefer the appointment. Then we can schedule the number of preparers and the number of computers to meet the demand.
What do you suggest, what do you ask that folks bring when they make that appointment? What do they need to bring when they're coming to get their taxes prepared?
For identity security, we need a photo identification, social security card for the dependents, and then all their W-2s, their 1099s, which are the statements from their bank for their interest earned and also for their dividends, their 1099-B, which is their sale of stock and other items, 1090-S for the sale of real estate, and then also their basic records for their small business, which we can also carry out, and mile logs so we can calculate their travel. And then for the rental properties, the prior year tax return, plus a list of all of the activities that went into upkeeping the house. Many of our individuals come to us with the rentals but discover that they forgot the repairs and maintenance that they did over the period of the year, the plumber's bill and things of these natures that we want to accumulate for them and then get them the biggest possible refund.
All right, Dr. Branstrator, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. We have some information on the screen right now to help you with your taxes this season.
Thank you.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by